Hello, here is the original pen kit. I wanted to show you what's in it. So it comes in a pink bag. Let's see here, I'm gonna open it. Okay, so what's in here? The user manual card, of course, and then contact information, the pen, an extra battery, you have a charger, and 10 needle cartridges. And it's the 12-pin needle cartridges that comes in the original kit. If you order the nano kit, the original, you will get nano cartridges instead. But the kit or the pen and everything looks the same. The only thing else that differs is the not the cartridges. Well, the cartridges too, but also the brochures. So in the original, you will get the HA brochures, and in the nano kit, you will get the nano brochures. Okay, so you have the cartridges, and here's the pen. You get an extra battery too, as I mentioned, and here is the pen. I'm gonna put this away for now. So this is the pen. This is the on button. And here is a dial to dial the depth on the pen. And I'm gonna show you how to put on the cartridge. These are the cartridges that comes with it. It's a 12-pin. So when I take this out, you will see that the cartridge have kind of like a rectangular shape right here that will fit right into the pen tip. And it also have ridges, the pen tip. They have ridges right here and here, like both sides. And the cartridge have holes here and here, so it will fit perfectly with the pen. So when you attach the pen or the cartridge, you always have to have it on the most superficial depth. So 0.25, not 2.25, it's 0.25. So always have it on there. And then when you attach the cartridge, don't hold on top here because the needles will protrude and that will hurt you. And obviously have gloves on. I don't have that right now, but always have gloves on. And then you put it in and you twist it like I would say an 8/4 of a turn clockwise. Very hard, very, very hard. Some people don't twist properly, and if they don't twist properly, this cartridge will pop off during treatment. So now I haven't put it on properly. I just have to twist it. Twist hard. And if you're wearing gloves in treatment, take like a gauze or something in between, or paper or something, because otherwise you might slip. So again, you put it straight in. You hold it on the sides, you press it down, and then you turn it 1/8 of a turn clockwise. Okay? Then you can turn the pen on. So you turn the pen on by clicking the on button for 3 to 5 seconds. The button will show red. This one has 5 speeds. So you will hear the difference in the sound, and you will also see this button will change color. Right? So the red speed is the highest RPM. And then it's purple, dark blue, light blue, and green. And then it goes back to the red. Then you adjust the depth to what you would like, and then you can continue with the treatment. When you turn the pen on, or off, it's on already, but when you turn it off, you do the same thing. You just click 3 to 5 seconds, it turns off. And removing the cartridges, you always hold on the side. You just turn it counterclockwise, and it will kind of pop off, and then you discard it. Super duper easy. that is the original MD needle pen.